Mornings don't have to be rushed or loud. They don't have to begin with checking the clock or checking off a to do list. They could begin with grace, with light, with breath, and with God. If yesterday felt heavy, you don't have to carry it into today. Right now, just be here, present, safe, and held. Let this be a slow beginning. Some of us wake up with noise in our minds before we've even left the bed. Deadlines, regrets, scrolling, pressure. But God never asked you to sprint into the day. He invites you to walk with Him in step, in stillness. When the world says, hustle, Jesus whispers, come to me and I will give you rest. This is for the overwhelmed, the burnt out, the weary. This is for the one who's tired of pretending they're okay. You don't have to rise and grind today. You can rise and receive. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Lamentations chapter 3, verses 22 to 23. Read that again slowly. Let it fall on you like soft rain. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. New mercies every morning. That means this moment isn't a repeat of yesterday's guilt. It's a brand new beginning. You don't have to earn mercy. It's already here. You are already loved. God's mercy doesn't come with fine print. It's not for your best moments. It's for all of them, even this one. Sit with this for a moment. Let it settle in your chest. If you're holding a journal, take your time. If you're just listening, let these words sit with you. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are allowed to begin again. So let's begin with these two prompts. What grace do I need to give myself today? Where can I release pressure and receive mercy instead? Maybe grace looks like rest. Maybe it looks like showing up quietly, not perfectly. Write without judgment. Let it be a conversation with God, not a performance. If your page stays empty, that's okay too. God hears the words you can't write yet. Let's breathe and listen. Now bring one hand to your heart and let's take a deep breath together. Inhale and exhale. Whisper this breathe prayer as you exhale. God, center me in your peace today. Again, God, center me in your peace today. Let it be a rhythm, a heartbeat prayer that stays with you. Peace isn't something you have to force. It's something you return to. If it feels right, stretch your arms slowly overhead. Roll your shoulders. Sip something warm. Let your body remember it is safe. Or maybe your movement today is simply being still. Stillness is not weakness. Stillness is not laziness. Stillness can be sacred. Right now, this soft moment, this is enough. You are not behind. You are not alone. You are not too much. Just be. That's all God is asking right now. You have a whole day ahead, but you don't have to carry it alone. The God who met you here will meet you in traffic, in emails, in the silence, in the noise. You are not going into the day empty. You are going full of grace, full of peace, full of the one who made the morning. So, may the rest of your day echo the calm you found here. May your heart stay soft, your spirit steady, your pace slow enough to notice the sacred again. You are loved, you are safe, and you are held. Amen.